Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our book. Today we are in page 81. Inshallah, today we are going to do something new. Okay, so we are doing Al-Maddul Muttasil. Al-Maddu Al-Muttasil. Whenever you hear Al-Maddul Muttasil, it just means the attached madda. Okay, it is attached to a word. Okay, look at this madda. This is one word. This is one word. This is one word. Okay, this one. And this is one word. So this madda is in between one word. Okay, it's in between a word. Okay, are we together? It's in between a word. So that's why it's called al-maddul muttasil, the attached madda. It's attached to a word. Then it's 4 or 5 harakat. Remember harakat, we said it's just 5 fathas. If you take 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 harakats or fathas or kasris or dhamma, that is what we call harakat. You reading from one vowel to the other okay? So this al-maddul muttasil, it's 4 harakat, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, okay? So the first one here we have yani. Remember this is alif saghira. Yani, yani, sa'a, يا نساء يا نساء. طيب, the more you practice it, the more you're going to get it. So this thing is just a practice, okay? Just keep on practicing and you'll get it, inshallah. يا نساء. Then we have يتساءلون يتساءلون. Okay, then we have وحدائق. Okay, وحدائق. Good. Then we have تشاءون. Okay, and just to be observant, look, after the madda we have a hamza. After the madda there is a hamza. After the madda there is a hamza. After the madda there is a hamza. Okay, most of the time hamza is one of the main thing which makes a word or something to be long in the Quran. Okay, just look at all of them. Whenever there's a madda, there's a hamza after it. Madda, hamza. So just you can say before the hamza. Look, before the hamza. Okay, here you can say it because this doesn't have the madda. Also where here hamza and before it there's a madda. Okay, so through more exposure to the Quran, inshallah you're going to see them. Okay, so تراءتي تراءتي. Okay, تراءتي. Then we have إلهك. Remember this is alif صغيرة. إلهك, and it's 2 harakat. That is how long you should make it. You should stretch it. إلهك وإله, alif صغيرة again. وإله, إلهك وإله آبائك. Look at this hamza. Don't say aba. It has an alif. Remember, we cannot join this together. An unconnector. Okay. آبائك إلهك وإله آبائك إلهك وإله آبائك لقاءنا. Okay, then we have ما له. الواو المادية, the long wow, do not forget about it. Look at the ha. ما له رئاء ما له رئاء ما له رئاء. okay. ماءك ماءك. ويا ألف صغيرة. سماء the مادة on top of it. ويا سماء ماءك ويا سماء. طيب let's go to the next one. ولا آباؤنا ولا آباؤنا. okay, two maddas. okay, and remember we said before the madda or after the madda there's a hamza, or before the hamza there's a madda. okay, before the hamza there's a madda. طيب remember that, do not forget about that. على ألف صغيرة. على two حركات, don't forget about that. خزائني خزائني. على خزائني على خزائني. عطاؤنا عطاؤنا عطاؤنا. ما يشاءون ما يشاءون ما يشاءون. okay, the madda, look, hamza, and before it there's a madda. So please just know one thing, do not forget that before the hamza, okay, there's a madda. okay, before, look at the hamza, then there's a madda. Do not forget as well about the alif saghira. Ya nisaa, 5 harakat or 4 harakat. يتساءلون يتساءلون. وحدائق وحدائق. تشاءون تشاءون. تراءتي تراءتي. إلهك إلهك وإله إلهك وإله. okay, 2 ألف صغيرة. إلهك وإله. آبائك آبائك. إلهك وإله آبائك. Do not forget about this hamza. It's long because of the alif. Do not ignore it. okay, then we have liqa'ana liqa'ana. ما له رئاء ما له رئاء. ماءك ويا سماء ماءك ويا سماء ماءك ويا سماء. ولا آباؤنا ولا آباؤنا. So you see this one is long but not long than the one with the madda, than the one with the madda. طيب, let's do the last one here. Then we have على خزائن على خزائن. عطاؤنا عطاؤنا. ما يشاءون ما يشاءون. okay, inshallah, I know this is a little bit challenging or it's a little bit tricky, but the more you do it, inshallah, the more you're going to get it. Also, please listen to Sheikh Khalil Husari, Abdul Basit, or Dr. Ayman Suede. Okay, Dr. Ayman is very good at this one. Those are the people who read slowly, or Sheikh Minshawi. Okay, those ones, they're going to help you. Inshallah, ma'asalam. See you in the next half. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to share with other people and subscribe and like.